this is just a short video to welcome you to the course. I want to say thank you. Thank you for purchasing my course, and thank you for trusting me to help you get your CCNA certification. Before we get started with practical labs, don't forget that you can ask me questions if you're unsure about anything or have suggestions on ways that I can improve the course. I'm always trying to improve the course for everyone's benefit. Help me do that by giving me suggestions. I'm hoping that you find this course to be of great value and that you benefit greatly from it. If you have any concerns, let me know. If you have any suggestions, let me know. It's my aim to ensure that this is the best CCNA course that you've ever taken. Don't forget that you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel has over 500 videos of free technical content to help you with both your CCNA journey as well as other topics that you may find useful in future, such as Python programming for network automation and lots of other real-world network topics. So have a look on my YouTube channel for more free videos, or if you feel that something is missing in this course or needs to be improved, let me know through the messaging system. If you want another lab added to the course, let me know, and I'll do my best to add it. From experience, I've learnt that two-way communication between me and you is the best way to improve the course for both you and everyone else attending. So just know that I'm here to help you. So again, thank you for joining me, and let's get started practically configuring and troubleshooting Cisco networks. I want to wish you all the very best in your networking endeavors.